Hello and welcome. A fresh wave of protest has erupted in Abia State as a governorship aspirant of the Action Alliance (AA) political party took to the streets, calling on residents to unite against what she described as the worsening insecurity, threatening lives and livelihoods across the state. In a video now circulating widely on social media, the politician passionately appealed to Abians from every part of the state to join what she described as a nationwide protest against the growing wave of violence, insisting that Abia must not remain silent while communities continue to suffer. Standing before supporters carrying placards, the governorship hopeful declared that the time had come for ordinary citizens to speak with one voice and demand greater protection from the government.
Abia State, it is time to say no to insecurity. Our children don't go to school anymore. Our little children are being kidnapped in the bush. On daily basis, they are killing our women. So let's say no to insecurity. Come out anywhere you are in Abia State. Let's protest against insecurity. We are not celebrating any democracy. Say no to bad governance.
According to her, insecurity has reached a level where families are living in constant fear. Children are no longer safe. Women are becoming victims of violence. And farmers are increasingly unable to access their farmlands because of the activities of armed criminal groups. During the protest, she repeatedly called on residents across Abia State to leave their homes and join the demonstration, stressing that the movement was not limited to one political party or one community. Instead, she described it as a part of a broader national campaign demanding urgent action to address insecurity across Nigeria. She insisted that every concerned citizen should participate because the security crisis affects everyone, regardless of political affiliation, religion, or ethnicity. One of the strongest messages she delivered during the demonstration focused on the plight of farmers. The governorship aspirant alleged that many farming communities are now surrounded by armed bandits, making it dangerous for people to cultivate their farmland. According to her, this growing insecurity is threatening food production, destroying livelihoods, and increasing hardship for families who depend on agriculture as their primary source of income. As protesters marched through the streets, many carried placards bearing powerful messages that reflected their concern. Some read, "We need our farmland," while others displayed messages such as, "We need our children," and other slogans calling for greater security across the state. The placards highlighted fears that insecurity is preventing many families from living normal lives and limiting access to farms that provide food and income for rural communities. The governorship aspirant also used the opportunity to draw attention to what she described as the human cost of the ongoing security crisis. Speaking emotionally, she said innocent children and women continue to lose their lives, while many communities remain vulnerable to attacks.
We need our farmland. We need our children. If you're in Abia, come out and join us. Let's go and protest against insecurity in our country. Let's go and fight for our children. Our women, our children are dying. They are killing our children. Anywhere you are in Abia, come out and join us. We are very ready to come out and protest.
She argued that government at every level has a constitutional responsibility to protect citizens and ensure that communities can live, work, and farm without fear. Although the protest was organized in Abia State, She maintained that the movement forms part of a wider nationwide campaign against insecurity. She urged Abians not to remain passive while other parts of the country continue demanding better protection, insisting that every state affected by violence should add its voice to the growing call for stronger security measures and more effective action against criminal groups. The demonstration comes at a time when insecurity remains one of Nigeria's most pressing national challenges. Across different parts of the country, communities have continued to experience kidnappings, attacks on villages, destruction of farmland, and violent crimes carried out by various armed groups. In several states, farmers have repeatedly complained that fear of attacks has forced them to abandon large portions of their agricultural land, raising concerns about food production and rural development. For many observers, the protest reflects growing frustration among ordinary Nigerians who believe stronger action is needed to restore security and protect vulnerable communities. Others see it as another indication that insecurity has become a major political issue ahead of future elections, with many citizens demanding practical solutions rather than promises. As of the time of this report, there has been no official response from the Abia state government regarding the specific claims raised during the protests. Likewise, security agencies have not publicly commented on the demonstration or the allegations concerning the presence of armed criminals around farming communities. However, authorities have consistently stated in previous briefings that effort to combat insecurity remains ongoing through coordinated operations involving the military, the police, and other security agencies. Whether the protest will lead to concrete policy changes remains uncertain, but it has already succeeded in drawing attention to the concerns of many residents who say they simply want to return to their farms, protect their families, and live without fear. As the video continues to trend online, the demonstration has become another reminder that insecurity remains one of the biggest issues confronting communities across Nigeria, and many citizens are demanding urgent and lasting solutions. We want to hear from you. What's your reaction on this news? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below and let's discuss it together. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching.